The median wage gap between the salary of a man and a woman is $10,000. If you take that and you project it over a 40-year career, it means that a woman is making $500,000 less than her male counterpart. This workshop is designed to give you lots of concrete tools and strategies you can actually use to take back more control in your work life and to excel. And the first step to figuring out how to negotiate is figuring out what it is you want. Step 2 is asking. We're never going to get something if we don't ask. So I'm going to teach you 2 ways that I like to think about, asking for more and negotiating for more. As a freelancer, it's so important to set and hold your own boundaries. And I know from my own experience that it's really hard not to feel pressure to over-deliver and always go the extra mile for your clients. Never forget, you have to value your labor and your contributions in order for other people to value them too. Yeah, I know, right? Your jaw's like on the floor. Welcome to Stop Settling in Your Career, an online workshop for women.